Hey everyone, this is Misty with Nerd News Social, and we are just done with Pepcom, where we saw a lot of really fantastic products inside. My favorite of the night, though, is the FluentPet uh, modular system, where you interact with your pet and you use simple words to kind of communicate with your dog or cat or any animal that's capable of pressing on these little buttons with preloaded words. And it's a great way to help bond with your pet and develop a kind of communication that goes a little beyond trying to figure out for yourself what the wagging tail might, or the whining, or the scratching at the door might specifically mean. It's a really great way to put in time bonding with your pet and get that relationship that you really want when you have a pet in your home. Uh, Check it out online, and we will see you in the next video.